There is no car feature more important than safety, especially when it comes to the Tesla Plaid, which accelerate in 1.99 seconds to 60 miles per hour. In this video, we will talk about Tesla's extraordinary safety features and what makes them possible. Unlike gasoline cars, Tesla has no risk to getting fired for the same reasons as gasoline cars. However, the Tesla electric car is at risk of fire, but for different reasons and at very low risk. For a gasoline car, there are many situations in which a fire can occur. For example, overheating. If the fuel system is damaged, fuel evaporation, damage to one of the numerous fuel tubes, such as by an obstacle under the bottom of the car, or animals such as cats, raccoons, and mice can gnaw through one of the fuel nodes. In an electric car, there is only a large battery that is located in the bottom of Tesla car, an electric motor, and the rest of the parts help manage it all. A Tesla battery is made up of chemical elements that, under certain conditions, can catch fire, for example, if the battery is depressurized. Depressurization of the battery can only happen upon impact, since there can be no situation of depressurization of the battery unless the car is moving. This is due to the difficulty of accessing to the Tesla battery. High or low temperature is not a cause of leakage. Under normal operation conditions, this is practically unattainable. Tesla pays special attention to the car safety, and Tesla is best at it. All Tesla cars have won awards in crash tests. Tesla is recognized as the safest car in the world, not only among electric vehicles but of all cars produced. Measurements and safety tests are carried out by well-known global companies as Euro NCAP or NHTSA, specializing in this. The company's product test according to the standard Euro NCAP, which detects all possible incidents that may occur on the road, are the same for an electric car and a gasoline car. In 2013, Tesla was recognized as the best car in terms of safety among any cars in the world. And this trend has not changed. Tesla continued to maintain safety level in Tesla Model S, 3, X, and with the new Tesla Plaid it has only improved due to full autonomous driving, which calculates and predicts situations faster than a person can. A video about this is available on this channel. So what makes Tesla the market leader in safety? First, with the many years of development experience, Tesla attract the best security specialists and listen to their best unrealized solutions. In fact, Tesla has only been on the market for 9 years, and during this time was already achieved amazing results. It's time to smash the like button and leave a comment. An interesting fact, some Tesla developments are patent, but many Tesla developments are in the public domain, open source, and any company can use their developments in their cars without financial deductions. The design feature of the Tesla base in the frame structure, which adds durability and has a very good effect of shock resistance, providing the driver with an additional level of safety, both in the fire hazard and shock safety. 5 stars is the maximum number of safety stars existing during testing of a car before the release of that car into production. Tesla has all 5 stars across its entire product line. A big advantage of Tesla cars is their structure. When there are no parts under the hood and the electric motor is located in the back of the car under rear seats. With such an arrangement of units, Tesla was able to add a large empty part of the car, which during an accident will not smash your legs or somehow threaten your life. Instead, the empty space provides a sort of additional airbag. Due to crumbled design, the Tesla hood adds a significant airbag, keeping you safe from impact during crashes. Also, the location of the battery at the bottom of the car plays a role of driving comfort as well as the stability of the car on the road. And upon impact, there is less chance to roll the car, and surprisingly allow you to control the car after the impact without spinning in unexpected directions. This year there was a report accident involving Tesla Model S in Oregon, in which the driver hit a pole, 2 trees, and then hit a telephone box. The impact was so strong that several batteries out of the thousands flew out of the car, but the driver remained practically unharmed, and medical help was not required. Autopilot also increased Tesla's safety. It also protects the driver in the most unexpected moments on the road that are difficult to predict, and in many cases even impossible when driving manually. The auto-braking system is another function of protecting the driver and pedestrians, as well as unexpected objects on the road. In this way, Tesla is the safest mass-produced car. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. Please leave a comment. What's in your thoughts about the safety of the Tesla? That's really important for me. Thanks for watching this video.